get those?
You want us to pop them? Hadley and I will pop them. If you want us to. Oh, get it.
Get it.
Get it.
Get
Get
it.
it.
Get it. Get it.
Get that one.
I got it.
Oh boy.
Where are we going? You know, we can't go in the backyard yet because the Easter Bunny is.
Eat.
Go, James, go! Yay! Good job, buddy.
That's the good thing
Go,
about
Hadley.
kids. At least they're hardy.
Mom, let me try. Let me try.
There you go.
Here she comes. Tiptoeing through the tulips.
Good one.
Go.
Where are all the eggs? Where are those eggs?
Go get them.
Brandon's got it.
I found one.
Put it in your basket.
A blue one. Put it in your basket. See if you can go find one, Hadley.
Make
James.
your own route. Yeah, there you go. Go get them.
Break free.
Go find one.
Buddy. James.
Hadley, look for the gold ones.
They have money in them.
I found one.
Great. Put it in your basket.
Ooh,
Oopsie.
Hadley, get it before Ella.
got it.
That'll work.
Find
And
another.
if Ella gets it, I think there are a few more.
Go. Oh, I got a blue one.
Oh.
Like, Jeff's that bag up here. Good one.
They're everywhere. They're up on the porch.
Good girl.
What is that? Right here. Animal crackers. Put them in.
Go, Mommy. Oh, there's a bug starting this one.
Oh,
Right,
bug.
Hadley, you can get it now, sweetie. Here, want me to help you? James, you're cleaning house over there.
Well, Hadley was deceived.
That's pretty good, huh? Oh, get that, Brandon. Careful of your footing. It's treacherous.
Go get them.
Did you see that?
Move on.
Good one.
Yeah,
All right.
did she?
This one is a poke your eye out one.
So heavy.
Good. Okay. Okay. Watch your eyes. Oh, yep, that was right behind.
Oh, yes. You did. Good job.
Hadley. Hadley, let's be Elmo.
James, you want an animal?
He's been there a while. Oh, so much for Elmo.
No. I got it. Well, we're up.
Brandon, I don't know if you found your Cadbury egg yet.
I have not.
Oh, I know where it is.
Oh, I gotta cut it out, Patty. Uh-oh. Okay.
I know
gonna be
where
a big
his
job,
Cadbury egg is.
What did you get?
Oh, Hershey Kisses.
One of
Say thank you.
animal crackers.